In a program, everything is preset when you run it, so the results are always the same. This is called hardcode programming. There is no way for the computer to react to changes. In most cases, that is not very useful. That's why robots are built with input sensors to take in and evaluate data from the environment. But in the real world, things change constantly, and so does the data a robot receives. If robots didn't have input sensors, they could work with hardcode programming only. Because the values can vary, it is important to store the information in a flexible way in the code. This is what variables are there for. As a program runs, it needs to hold information in its memory. This may be a number, the answer to a question, or something else. Most people think of variables as numbers. They can be, but they can also be text or strings. They save a measured value and use it in the code to come to certain results. In a computer game, values such as the clothes your character is wearing are variables that can change. In the real world, a robot could react according to your outfit as well. By having preset reactions to different values, like your shirt color, the robot could either nod or shake its head. Input variables can come from many different kinds of input sensors. Keyboards, mouse, gamepads, cameras, and microphones all provide a computer or robot with data. Input variables provide a way for the user to interact with the computer. Values of sensors are set as variables so the computer can adjust its response to changes in the environment. Input variables are so important in programming because they allow the program to respond to its user and its environment. Without them, the program would struggle to respond in the appropriate way to different scenarios. Also, without variables, the code would be really complicated in order to have enough options for any case. And complicated is not what we would aim for, right?